Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Algorand or Algo. Algorand is currently at the $0.190 level. We are currently ranked at 62 with a market cap of about $1.54 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $50.90 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for Algorand. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, Algorand is up about 1%, and without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Algorand versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame. Binance is the data. So before we get into our analysis, I just want to show you this sort of massive chart which we are, or massive pattern which we have noticed on the chart right here for the crypto market. What we have right here is what we call the Bitcoin rainbow chart, or basically the rainbow chart for the crypto market, because this usually explains the crypto market, right? So it shows the crypto market from inception in 2010 right here even to the present day, right? And since then we usually have our halvings after every 4 years, and after every halving we notice this pattern, right? As you can see right here, after this halving we saw 2 months of sideways price action or little push to the downside before we saw this sort of massive bull run. Now right here in our second halving right here, we saw another consolidation of about 3 months, right? 3 months right here, and then before we saw this sort of massive push to the upside, right? So in 2016 we consolidated for 3 months, basically after the halving, before we sort of saw this sort of massive push to the upside. Right here in 2020 we saw this consolidation of about 4 months after the halving before we saw any sort of price movement even to the upside or the bull run, right? Currently in the fourth halving we should expect probably another consolidation, minimum of about 3 to 4 months, basically of those consolidation stroke downwards price movement. I call this the bull run trap before we see any sort of push to the upside. Happens after every halving. We see this sort of consolidation, which is the bull run trap. We see massive push to the upside, right? Consolidation before the bull run, I call it the bull run trap. We see this massive push to the upside right here. Consolidation, the bull run trap, before we see that push to the upside. Same thing happening right now. So we could see that consolidation before we see this sort of massive push to the upside, right? So for Algorand, what are we expecting, right? As you can see right here, basically we have, we were expecting this massive push to the upside. We saw that massive jump, but as you can see, basically we have consolidated back down to the downside. So what are we expecting next? We could see a huge consolidation right here for Algorand from this level of the 0.19 into the 0.15. Basically this sort of boring consolidation we had in September stroke October, we could have the same thing from May going into July. Basically a boring summer right here before we see that massive bull run coming soon, right? So that is what we are expecting on Algorand. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.